iracyari Kigali mu TV nk'ibisanzwe ndacyari Ismael Papi Muhinda turi kumwe n'umukobwa mwiza cyane ahangaha n'umukobwa wavuga mu rurimi rw'icyongereza naho tugiye tuganiramo cyane arasa kudusobanurira mu member araza kudusobanurira byinshi bitandukanye kuko no muryango by'imihariko ese yabonye butino forum y'ino munsi cyangwa se inama y'ino munsi n'iki yamufashije in English. Hello. So about you.
Thank you. My name is Gloria Nkombeza. I'm a Kepler student.
So Kepler student, as you hear, you are here as a member, coordinator, or what?
Thank you. I'm here as a member of the AYLF movement at Kepler University.
So as a member, you are here in this forum. So what are the main important of this forum as your member?
So this forum is really important for us because it helps students who are passionate about leadership to improve their leadership skills, to interact with others, and also to build their friendship, because this movement is more of an international level. So sometimes we get the chance to meet other members who are outside Rwanda. As you can see, for me, I'm from Congo, and today when I came to Rwanda and I became a member of this movement, it means now I have a big family here.
So we are talking about you came from Congo, DRC. It's allowed for us, our neighbor country. So are you aware of there?
Sure, we have a chapter in DRC of AYLF because AYLF, as I said, it's abroad, it's an international movement.
So as my question is this, in AYLF you're studying the leadership skills and being like having fun, like doing what? So what the kind of this leadership you have taught? So you teach leadership for those who study in leadership universities, or you're teaching leadership for all of people, all societies you're living?
So it means this movement is focused mainly on students, but when you're a student it means you get leadership skills, and then it's up to you to apply them in your real life, like even outside campus you need to apply those leadership values, and especially it's more of unity, integrity, like those kind of values. Yeah.
So what are the main advices you can tell the youth of Rwanda, the youth of Africa who will of Rwanda today?
Thank you. The kind of advice that I can give to all Africans youth, it's like they need to, it's time for them to showcase what they have and what they are passionate about, because if you don't take the first step, you can't really make a change within your community. So it's better to just join those you think you have the same values with and passions. Like for us, if you are passionate about leadership, you are welcome at AYLF because it's a big family and we are going to be happy to have you with us.
So thank you for being here again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So mwabyumishije rero yari Kigali mu TV nk'ibisanzwe ndi kumwe n'umukobwa ahangaha mwiza cyane aho dusobanura ku gice bitandukanye mu cyongereza kiza cyane aho tubwira ko by'imihariko ari Mani City turamuvuga cyangwa se no muturage uturuka muri Congo akaba yaraje kwiga mu Rwanda muri University ya Kepler, atsobanura byinshi bitandukanye anagira inama urubyiruko ko bagomba kuba bajoininga bimwe mu bice mu muryango kwera ko basiga byinshi bitandukanye. Ni byinshi rero twaganiriye by'imikaturana na mushima dushimye n'umuryango wa African Youth Leadership Forum kuba byo bikomeje gufasha by'imikoro rwa Afrika muri rusange kugira ngo rubashe kwa twatira imbere so kwateza imbere ejo hacu hazaza. Mbashimire yari Kigali mu TV nk'ibisanzwe na Ismael Papi Muhinda abwire ngo